Unveiling the secret. How to punch down the dough. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends the art of cooking with the beauty of language learning. Have you ever come across the phrase, punch down the dough, in a recipe and wondered what it truly means? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore this phrase in detail, breaking it down for all our English language learners out there. Let's get started. The phrase, punch down the dough, is commonly used in baking recipes, especially when making bread or other yeast-leavened products. After the dough has risen and doubled in size, punching down is the process where you use your fist to gently deflate the dough. But it's not about aggression, it's a gentle technique. The purpose is to release the excess gas bubbles formed by the yeast during the fermentation process, redistribute the yeast for even fermentation, and relax the gluten, making the dough easier to shape. You might wonder why we can't just skip this step. Punching down the dough is crucial because it helps in evenly distributing the yeast throughout the dough for consistent texture, reduces the large air pockets that can cause holes in your bread, makes the dough easier to handle and shape into loaves or other forms. Without this step, the bread might bake unevenly or have an undesirable texture. 1. Prepare. Once your dough has doubled in size, lightly flour your hands to prevent sticking. 2. Punch down. Gently press your fist into the center of the dough. It's more of a firm press rather than an actual punch. 3. Fold. After deflating, fold the dough over a few times inside the bowl. This helps to strengthen the gluten structure and shapes the dough for its next rise. 4. Final steps. Shape the dough as needed for your recipe, and let it rise again until it's ready to bake. Remember, the key is gentleness. You're not trying to start a fight with your dough. You're helping it on its journey to become delicious bread. And there you have it, folks. Now you know exactly what it means to punch down the dough, and why it's such an important step in baking. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and helped improve your English language skills along with your baking knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy baking and language learning!